Hi, I'm Matthew Lonergan, and I am going to be building a Skylake based system, and I've decided to record it and show it to you. The fact that you're watching this means that I succeeded, because I'm actually going to do the final edits of the YouTube video on the machine I'm building. So behind me you're seeing a series of boxes, cardboard boxes from Amazon mostly. One, the CPU itself, the Skylake i7 6700K. I went down to Central Computers. I live in Northern California, and picked that up yesterday. Swooped it up actually, because it's kind of a rare part, in which is, I guess, appropriate to say that this is the end of August. So been looking forward to this build for a while. A little bit of housekeeping. So I am going to put timestamps on each of the sections of the build. What that means is that if you're interested in the part where I put the heatsink on the CPU, but not so interested when I put the motherboard into the box, I'll have each of those timed out so you can fast forward to the part that you're actually interested in. This is going to be a series of videos. I think that maybe the unboxing, along with the explanation of how I chose individual parts and so on, is probably a good first section. Then maybe putting the motherboard together, putting the memory, the CPU, and my favorite part of the new system, the M2 SSD, into it will be next. And then the putting the motherboard into the chassis that I got, along with the power supply, which bears some explanation, just how I went about choosing that particular power supply, which is crucial to this build, and just why I chose the form factor, etc. I think that's probably a good section. And then once the thing powers on and I get that lovely beep that tells me that the BIOS is posted, it would be time for me to load on Windows 10. And at that point, I think that'll be a good place to end it.